Okay, so who's gonna start laying them out?
Can I go second? I got this.
Okay.
What step are you
Yeah,
on?
that'll work.
Wait,
Yeah.
I don't know what step.
I got it right here.
We're on step laying.
No, I didn't. It's how you did. You were like showing me the ball.
Now they overlap, Audrey.
Oh, I have to overlap them?
Yeah, you overlap them. Just a little bit.
Can I use my hand?
Yep, you can, like that, that's good.
Okay, so now I gotta place the second noodle
Yeah.
down gently.
Okay, and one more, I think.
Okay, so now it makes it easier. Watch this.
You've done this before?
What are you making, Audrey?
Okay, where do I put this? Right here?
Right there.
And
What are you
the other
making today,
And
Audrey?
the other one.
Lasagna.
She's capable.
Frank's famous lasagna.
Okay.
Where do I put it? Do
Now,
I
wait a
put,
minute.
Where's your hairnet?
I don't have
We're
one.
gonna move over here, Audrey. Or I can bring this, maybe I better bring this over to you.
Don't we need other people to help?
Is that store-bought, Dad, or homemade?
No, this is a concoction that I come up with.
Don't worry, guys, I got
Audrey?
Do you,
Audrey?
Done this already before.
Okay, here you go. Go ahead, coat it. Then once you get it coated, then I'm gonna show you something.
Just lightly coat it.
Yep.
She's got experience.
Ben, are you gonna help too, Ben?
Grandpa, are you taking us to Clausen's tomorrow?
No. Am I taking you?
Yeah.
I don't know yet. We haven't talked about it. So what you do is you go like this, not a lot, because we're gonna have multiple layers.
What are you adding, Dad?
This is a mixture of ricotta and cottage cheese with an egg. So Audrey, and we gotta open up our zillions of. Okay.
How many types of cheese are there, Dad?
12 types of cheese.
Which ones do you have?
We have, there's mozzarella, Monterey Jack, Provolone, Asiago, Parmesan, Romano,
Do we sprinkle it on?
That's 6,
ricotta,
7,
cottage cheese.
8.
Then there's
You say Parmesan?
Monterey Jack, cheddar, queso, quesadilla, asado, cheese.
Jack, help Grampy.
Okay, what do you want me to do?
I'm gonna show you.
I got you.
Do you need help opening that, Grandpa?
No, I think I got it. Okay. So what happens, see these? You go like that
Okay, Jack.
on the layers. Every layer gets some cheese. And now the other one I'm going to get. I've got, okay? Is this one open? Where's the opening?
You just,
What step are you doing now, Dad?
Another layer of cheese. Okay, now Audrey, now we're making 2 batches, so you guys do it together. So do the noodles next.
what about the meat?
What?
The meat.
Oh, the meat, cheese. See, I got it right here.
Thank goodness, Marsha. Thing on your,
Bring it over, Dad.
lasagna.
Do you need
You're gonna move
put it
that
on
up
here?
in The tongs. Okay, so then you take a spoonful and you go like that. Spoonful,
We didn't do it.
go like that.
Have some, I just don't
I know.
really love them, but the way I feel
Dad,
about
are you
black
Facebook
olives,
Live?
you need to do that. Or
We didn't bring
honestly,
any.
I don't like. Do you like black olives?
Yeah.
They're okay. Do you like green olives?
Okay, next noodle layer.
Add your noodles.
Okay, Dad, can I get those tongs?
If you don't like it.
Okay, Jack. No, just a
I
little.
thought you were doing that one, the second pan.
Like this? No. Let me show you.
We'll get one done and then we'll start the second.
Oh,
batch.
you like spread it and you put it on, and then you
Yeah,
spread.
you could, there's a lot of sauce.
Take,
Others. You
there's
can
a
go pretty liberally if you want. Make it so it's all red, guys.
No, Mom, look at.
When?
It's, I don't remember, but
At
like,
their
it's
house or at our
really,
house?
really cute. Yeah, it's really good at
At
their
our
house.
On Christmas?
There's a lot we got.
Audrey, is this good?
It's in New York.
Where was
Yes.
I was asking Audrey.
Right
Andrea,
now,
you can
we're
do
doing
the meat.
second layer.
We lost the head chef though.
No, I'm just resting for
You can
Are
do
they supposed to put on the Parmesan?
that. Yes.
Did you know that, Audrey? Shake
Oh,
some
the Parmesan Jack. No, I know how to do it, Jack.
He's doing it, honey.
Oh, you got it.
I'm cooking, Jack.
Please. Oh, shut up. Oh, I got you. Please, Ben.
This one's gonna be ready to go in.
Audrey gets the first slice because she's the one that's been consistently working over there.
I know.
Let me go back.
She's the
Yeah,
most
too.
consistent. Jack is helpful when he wants to be. Ben is not helpful at all.
But Ben said from the beginning, he said no.
Okay, yeah, so at least
And
no one's
Amy
being
said
disappointed.
Legos.
Ben, you can help if you want.
I think I do have to
We're good.
Okay.
Because I still have, he's got one over there and there's two
Oh,
more
okay,
here.
I got it. Well, that's the
About
Mexican
four.
blend. Do we like using the Mexican blend or we like using both?
Okay, I need the big, where's the big bag?
Get a lot of cheese.
Here you go, grab the one from
Okay, so,
Is that good?
Hey, Jack,
I
go
think
get
there's
noodles.
enough.
Wait, no, it's not noodles time yet, Jack.
That's why you don't do this all the time. Okay,
You have no.
Okay.
all
Hey,
right.
grab
Do you want to put
Ready
black
for-
olives on half?
After the cheese, we do the meat.
They told me not to bring black olives.
You want to put black olives on half?
Sure, if you want to.
We'll do them on the other
I
bag.
think, do we have a can?
How heavy is it?
I don't know.
Let's check.
I don't know. How heavy do you think this is, Jack?
Jack, tell me, how heavy is it?
Go.
So those are gonna be like, 9, 10.
How do you like it?
Looking almost done.
Only nice watch, just to let you know.
It's the keyboard that like Luca, that was
How did it turn out?
No, but I took my plate and got bread on it. Here, could you?
It's gonna be just